Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your very own landing page bot. It's super easy and fun, so let's dive right in. First things first, choose your bot by navigating to the website Chatbot settings and selecting the landing page bot. Next, give your landing page a name. Make it catchy and relevant to your brand. Once that's done, you'll need to create a header for your landing page. Think of something that grabs attention. Now, it's time to write a short description. Keep it brief but engaging, letting your visitors know what your page is all about. After that, choose the social media links you want to appear beneath the description. This will help your visitors connect with you on various platforms. To make your landing page bot even more personalized, click on the theme to customize it further. You can choose your bot window style. Go for classic or modern, whichever suits your taste. Then, pick a bot icon from the predefined icons or upload your own icon or logo. Next up, choose your landing page theme color. You can either go with a single color or a beautiful gradient. For the background, you have options too. Pick a single color, a gradient, an image, or even a video background. Don't forget to select a font that matches your style and makes your text easy to read. Once you're happy with all the customizations, make sure to click Save Changes. And here's the amazing part. When customers click on any of the social media icons, they'll be taken straight to your page. How cool is that? Finally, click Install, choose the landing page bot, and there you have it. You've just created your landing page bot. With your new landing page bot, visitors can quickly access all your social media links and get the information they need, all in one place. Plus, your AI bot can answer any questions about your business or even function like a general chat GPT 4.0, providing information and assistance on a wide range of topics. Ready to see it in action? Let's get started.